Deepak International Limited, powering the future with innovation and reliability. With a legacy spanning over 75 years, Deepak International Limited has been at the forefront of battery manufacturing, consistently innovating to power the future. Established in 1950, we have grown into a leading manufacturer in India, shaping the industry through advancements in battery technology and the introduction of innovative products. Our brand Tuff Bull is known for its performance, durability and reliability, trusted by customers across various sectors globally. Our 4 advanced manufacturing plants located in Sansarpur Terrace, Kangra, HP, India are equipped with cutting-edge automated machinery from global leaders such as Mack USA and reputed manufacturers from Germany, Denmark, Taiwan and China.
Our energy products have been a market leader in the Middle Eastern and African continent. Our brand Tuff Bull has been synonymous with the energy storage solutions for more than a decade.
These facilities represent global excellence in engineering, ensuring the highest standards of quality and performance. All of Tuff Bull's manufacturing facilities are ISO certified, guaranteeing adherence to the highest quality standards. Our dedicated research and development R&D facility works tirelessly to develop innovative products and solutions that cater to the evolving needs of the market. Tuff Bull Batteries offer a wide range of high-performance products: tubular inverter or solar batteries, automotive batteries, e-rickshaw batteries, UPS batteries, motorcycle batteries, lithium batteries.
Our focus this year is on the EV segment, on the solar segment and on new technologies. In new technologies, we have introduced lithium-ion batteries for e-rickshaw applications. The energy and power sector is one of the fastest growing sectors in our economy and we are proudly associated with it.
Over 1 million tubular batteries and 1 million UPS and motorcycle batteries are manufactured annually to meet growing market demand, spread across 40,000 square meters, ensuring smooth and efficient production. With a workforce of over 1,000 employees, Tuff Bull maintains leadership in the battery industry through expertise and commitment. Raw materials such as lead ingots are rigorously tested using advanced technologies like SpectroMax, ensuring premium quality from the start. Molten lead is poured into molds to create grids for flat plates. These grids are aged before moving to the pasting process, ensuring optimal performance. Pure lead ingots are melted and pumped into a ball mill unit, forming small cylindrical balls which are then converted into grey oxide powder. Grey oxide powder mixed with additives, sulfuric acid and water forms a thick paste applied to grids using an automated PLC-controlled pasting system. The pasted grids then move through a flash drying oven before final curing. Molten lead is pressure die cast to form tubular positive plate spines, which are then cut to precision. Advanced conveyor systems streamline operations, reducing manual labor and minimizing errors while ensuring smooth transitions between manufacturing stages. The battery components are assembled in a multi-step process: plate enveloping and cell mixing, jig boxing, group burning, short circuit testing, intercell welding, heat sealing, pole burning, leakage testing, number embossing, vent plug fixing and rope handle fixing. Automatic plate enveloping and stacking machines are used for VRLA batteries in UPS systems and two-wheelers. After stacking, the cells undergo COS, cast on strap machine burning and automatic container placement. Once charged, all batteries undergo rigorous quality testing. Dry batteries are filled with sulfuric acid using an automated acid filling machine. Fume arresters are installed to capture fumes during charging. Batteries are placed in temperature-controlled charging tubs for optimal efficiency. Engineers monitor quality parameters hourly to ensure consistency. After charging and passing quality checks, batteries undergo acid leveling for accuracy. Vent plugs are installed and batteries are washed to remove residual acid. Packed batteries receive serial numbers for traceability. Packed batteries are carefully loaded onto trucks using forklifts, ensuring safe and efficient transportation. At Deepak International Limited, we believe in innovation with responsibility. Beyond producing cutting-edge energy solutions, we actively give back to society by fostering local development. We have adopted multiple village schools surrounding our factories, providing resources and support to improve education. Additionally, we prioritize local employment, creating opportunities for both skilled and unskilled workers while championing women empowerment through inclusive hiring. By offering training and employment in manufacturing and administrative roles, we promote financial independence and gender equality. Through these efforts, we contribute to skill development, entrepreneurship and industrial growth, aligning with the Make in India movement. Our investment in sustainable practices and world-class manufacturing ensures our products meet the highest standards of performance and environmental responsibility.